Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Analytics 4 app for affiliate funnel tracking step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type Google Analytics 4 in the search bar. Press enter to initiate the search. Click on the official Google Analytics link that appears in the search results. Once on the Google Analytics page, locate the Start for Free button. Click the Start for Free button to begin the setup process. If you already have a Google account, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have a Google account, click on Create Account and follow the prompts. After signing in, you will be directed to the Google Analytics setup screen. Under the Property Setup section, enter your preferred property name. Select the reporting time zone and currency for your analytics. Click Next to continue to the next step. In the About Your Business section, fill in the necessary details. Click Create to finalize the property setup. Read and accept the terms of service by checking the box and clicking I accept. Once the property is, choose either web or app based on your needs. If you choose web, enter your website URL and stream name. Click Create Stream to set up the data stream. Note the measurement ID provided on the screen. Now, open your preferred app store on your mobile device. Search for Google Analytics in the App Store. Locate the Google Analytics app and tap Download or Install. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the Google Analytics app. Sign in with the same Google account used for the web setup. You will now see your property listed in the app dashboard. Tap on your property to access affiliate funnel tracking features. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with the tracking options available. Set up your affiliate funnel links within the app to start tracking. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.